Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to share your Airtable base with team members, a crucial step to collaborative success. Let's dive right in. Firstly, open up Airtable and navigate to the base you want to share. The reason we do this is because each base has its own specific sharing settings. Now that we've done that, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Share button. Click on it. This brings up the sharing dialog box where all the magic happens. Let me explain why this matters. By clicking Share, you're about to set the permissions and invite your team members to join your workspace. Next up, click on Invite a Collaborator and enter the email addresses of your team members. Doing this allows you to directly invite those who you want to work with on your base, ensuring only the right people have access. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable sends an email invitation to each address you entered. Once you've added the email addresses, it's time to set the permission level. You'll see a drop-down menu next to each email address. Click on it and choose the appropriate option. This helps us because it ensures every team member has the right level of access, from read-only to full editing rights. Finally, click Send Invites, and voila! Your team members will receive an email invite to join your base. This step is important because it finalizes the process, making the base accessible to your team. So, in a nutshell, sharing your Airtable base with team members involves navigating to the desired base, clicking Share, inviting collaborators via email, setting their permission levels, and sending the invites. It's as easy as that. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next tutorial.